WPF versus WinForms, a comprehensive comparison. Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll discuss the differences between WPF and WinForms, two popular UI frameworks for Windows applications. First, what are these technologies? WinForms, or Windows Forms, is an older framework that provides a simpler way to create Windows applications. It is based on the Windows API and uses GDI for rendering. WPF, or Windows Presentation Foundation, is a newer framework that uses DirectX for graphics rendering, providing more advanced UI capabilities. Understanding these differences is crucial for developers choosing the right framework for their applications. WinForms has been around since .NET Framework 1.0, released in 2002. It was one of the first UI frameworks available for .NET developers. However, as the need for more modern and flexible UI designs grew, Microsoft introduced WPF in 2006 with .NET Framework 3.0. WinForms provides a straightforward way to build applications using Windows UI components, while WPF introduces XAML, a powerful markup language that allows for advanced UI designs, animations, and improved data binding. This evolution paved the way for more visually appealing and feature-rich applications. Now, let's explore the key differences between WinForms and WPF. WinForms relies on the Graphics Device Interface, GDI, for rendering, which is fine for basic applications but lacks the performance needed for complex UI designs. WPF, on the other hand, uses DirectX, allowing it to take advantage of hardware acceleration. Another big difference is UI design. WPF supports XAML, which separates UI from logic, making it easier to design and maintain applications. Additionally, WPF provides more customization options, including better styling, animations, and vector-based graphics. Finally, in terms of performance, WPF is GPU accelerated, making it more suitable for high-performance applications, whereas WinForms is largely CPU-bound. Choosing between WinForms and WPF depends on the type of application being developed. WinForms is well suited for simpler applications that require quick development and compatibility with older systems. Its ease of use makes it a good choice for small to medium-sized projects. WPF, however, is the preferred choice for modern applications that require advanced graphics, animations, and scalability. It is especially beneficial for applications with dynamic content, such as dashboards or media applications. For developers working on legacy systems, WinForms may be the safer option, while those aiming for a cutting-edge experience should opt for WPF. In conclusion, both WinForms and WPF have their own strengths and weaknesses. WinForms is simple, stable, and easy to use, making it a great choice for quick development and legacy support. WPF, on the other hand, is modern, flexible, and allows for visually stunning UI designs. The choice between the two ultimately depends on your project's requirements. If you need a lightweight, easy-to-maintain application, WinForms is a solid choice. However, if your project demands advanced UI customization, animations, and high performance, WPF is the better option. Despite WPF being the more modern framework, WinForms is still relevant and widely used today, especially for enterprise applications. Understanding the pros and cons of each will help developers make an informed decision.